guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews and I have my very first GLOSSYBOX to share with you. So the company did reach out to me, so this is sponsored by GLOSSYBOX. Thanks GLOSSYBOX. So this box is $21 a month, but they do have the occasional like limited edition extra boxes, which I think is kind of fun. So this one is the World of Beauty. So each box has a theme that they go by. So this one, everything is representing a different part of the world, which I thought was kind of fun, actually. Okay, so the first thing I have is a little eyeshadow thing from ModelCo. This is from Australia, and it is a liquid, I mean, it looks like a lip gloss or something, right? You've got your doe foot applicator, and it's a really pretty kind of bronzy color. It is listed as being champagne. So I do have this on my eyes today, and I've worn it a couple of times. It goes on really smoothly. You can see the color on my hand. It's fairly light, and with my skin tone, it doesn't show up all that well. It just kind of blends in as a faint champagne-y color, which, you know, fine, whatever, but I do think it would look really pretty on especially darker skin tones, and it's fairly pigmented. I mean, I went over my eyeliner and it actually covered up my eyeliner. I was like, whoa, hey, that's pretty good stuff right there. I put on regular eyeshadow and then I put this on just on the movable part of my lid, and you can blend it out with your finger, but I have like big man hands or something, so my fingers roll was really awkward. So I just used a brush and I thought the brush worked really well. So I'm really liking this. I remember going through a phase a while back of loving this sort of liquid eyeshadow because it's just sort of fun and sparkly, and you can put it on top of powder, you can wear it on its own. They do have like a silvery color that I thought would be really pretty on me just because it would show up better, and plus I usually prefer cool tones anyway. So anyway, I do love this. I think it's really awesome. So that's Australia for you. Greece. Okay, so this is Korres Nourishing Probiotic Gel Cream, and it is the Greek yogurt line. I had the Korres Greek yogurt primer a while back and I loved that stuff. It is incredibly hydrating. It just feels nourishing. I mean, it really does feel like you're putting yogurt on your face. And I expected, because of the gel part of the name in this, for it to be more gel-like or even just more lightweight, and I don't feel like it is. I feel like it's still going to be like a heavy-duty cream, so it's going to be great for people with super dry skin. For me, especially this time of year, I think I would only use it at night, and I do like it for sure, but it felt a little too heavy to wear during the day. It just like didn't quite soak in all the way and left me feeling a little dewier than I wanted to be. So, but anyway, I do like the Greek yogurt line from Korres. Okay, the next is a little TonyMoly packet of face wipes. These are Peach Punch. They really do smell quite peachy. They smell really good. It reminds me of something, and I cannot place that smell. At some point in my life, I must have had like, I don't know, a peach lip balm or something. But they smell really, really good, and they do a good job of removing your makeup and everything. There's 8 wipes in here. Generally speaking, what I use the wipes for is not like taking my makeup off at night. I use it for mistakes, wiping the makeup off of my hands, and most often I use it for taking my daughter's makeup off. She's 6 and she doesn't like washing her face so much, so these work out great, and then I can just sort of dump water over her head in the bathtub, and that, you know, that does the trick. And they smell so good, so she absolutely loves these. I know she's gonna steal these from me, which is okay. Oh, and by the way, TonyMoly, that's Korea. That's some K-beauty for you. Moving on to the UK, this is Rodial. I'm not sure how to say it. I have had some stuff from this company before. Their stuff is really expensive. So I've never bought any on my own, but I've gotten stuff in other boxes, and it's really nice. So I was going to use this morning, and honestly, I just totally forgot, but I am very much looking forward to this because I've used their stuff before, and this is like that gel kind of a mask, which I really like, and vitamin C is really great for like brightening your skin, and this is an energizing face mask, brighten and renew, which would be perfect for morning time, right? I really like using sheet masks in the morning just to like help, you know, hydrate and brighten and get my face ready for a full day of glammed up makeup. So anyway, I'm excited to use that. I think that's awesome. This is a tiny little sample of serum. This is Decorté, which is actually from Japan. It's a French name, but it's a Japanese line. And I think they first launched in 1970, so this isn't a newer company. They've been around for a while. This is the Liposome moisturizer. I don't know how to pronounce anything. I apologize for that. Anyway, I have used this. I really like this. This is very nice. It's an incredibly hydrating serum, and it's supposed to have like slow release so that it continues to add hydration throughout the day. So again, for all my dry skin ladies out there, this is the kind of thing that is really nice to wear during the day or at night. Either way, I thought that it worked really nicely. Also, this line is very into layering skincare, so it does layer really nicely. You can put on your serum, and you could, you know, use that on its own, but I like to add some moisturizer over that or put some sunscreen on over that, and I just felt that it worked really well with everything, and you know, this is a nice little sample. The last thing was a couple, they called this a bonus because I was like, foiled packets, really? But then they said that it was a bonus, and I'm actually really excited about these. I do wish that these were deluxe size samples at least, because I've never heard of this company before. It's called High. This is the High 5 Cannabis Facial Moisturizer, and this is the High Expectations Facial Oil. And these are both USA. USA loves to make things with cannabis. And I actually really like these. I really love the idea of having cannabis in skincare because it is supposed to be really soothing and anti-inflammatory and also hydrating and all of that good stuff. So I was excited to try these, and I did try them once. I'm like holding them so carefully because I don't want to squish out the moisturizer. The moisturizer did feel very creamy, very nice. Again, with like kind of a heavy duty, I definitely would probably reserve this for nighttime. And then the facial oil, I love facial oils, first of all, and this one was really nice. It had a very citrusy smell to it, but it didn't seem overpowering or like perfumey. And I loved the way that it made my skin feel. I don't think that it soaked in super quickly. But it also didn't just sit on top of my skin. It was kind of a nice mixture. And again, with the layering, I used this and then I used the moisturizer on top of it, and my skin felt super great. This morning when I woke up, it felt nice and hydrated. I was like, oh, that's a nice combo. I really hope that my skin likes these because I would consider buying full sizes of this. So anyway, that is my GLOSSYBOX. A lot of skincare in this box, and I don't know if all boxes are quite so heavy duty skincare, and I know that you have a profile you can fill out so that, you know, they can try to adjust your boxes to your liking, but I was actually happy with the skincare that I got, and I do love skincare. And the one little thing of makeup I think is super fun. So I'm actually happy with this box. So again, I will leave all of the information in the description box if you want to check it out, if you want to check out any of these products just on their own. And I'm sure that I have a discount code for you as well as a referral link. So let me know, have you guys been getting GLOSSYBOX? Would you consider getting this box? This was my first one, even though I know they've been around for a while. I just, you know, for whatever reason, never picked it up. So I'm glad that they reached out to me. Let me know if you guys get GLOSSYBOX. If you do, what did you get in your box this month? Was it different from what I got, or was it the same stuff? And how did you feel about it? Let me know. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!